Konnichiwa, I'm John Hornick. Welcome to my Japanese Faves series. This lesson, pan-fried halibut with braised cauliflower steak and Miso Sansho Sauce, is more Japanese-ish than strictly Japanese. The cauliflower steak browned on one side, then braised in sake and dashi. The golden halibut on top, the Miso Sansho Sauce in between, and a drizzle of Shoyu make this a great combination of Japanese flavors. So let's start cooking. Now, the first thing we're going to do is to cut our cauliflower steak, and we want to cut it out of the center of the head of cauliflower, and we want it to be a half an inch to 3/4 of an inch thick throughout the whole part of the steak that you're cutting. Okay, there we go. So there's the steak. Okay, now you're not going to be able to get a lot of these out of a head of asparagus. I mean, a head of cauliflower. So if you're serving a lot of guests, you might need a couple of heads. But one head is certainly enough to do 2 people. Okay, now we're going to coat the one side of this cauliflower with olive oil and some kosher salt and some freshly ground black pepper. And then I want to rub that around. I want to make sure it's coated well with that olive oil, okay? And I can see we've got a couple areas here that still need some, so we're going to add a little olive oil there. Good. Okay, now I've placed the cauliflower steak face down into this pan. So I'm only doing one for the camera, by the way. And then we're going to put some salt and pepper on this side. Okay, now we're going to take this to the stove. Okay, now what we want to do is brown the side that's down in the pan, okay? So we're going to let this cook under medium heat. Check it occasionally. I'm going to get a nice brown on the bottom. Okay, I've turned over the cauliflower steak. It looks beautiful, brown on what was the bottom side. Now it's the top. Now we're going to turn down the heat a bit. And we're going to add the dashi. Now we're going to braise this cauliflower steak in dashi. If your steak starts to come apart a little bit, just put it back together again. It's going to be the base for your fish, so it doesn't have to hold together. And then we're going to add a couple of tablespoons of sake. There we go. Now, we're going to cover this and we're going to let it braise until it is very tender. It'll probably take about 15 or 20 minutes. Okay, now we have our halibut here. We're going to season it. And when I say season, if you watch my videos, you know that season to me means always and only salt and pepper. I use kosher salt, coarse kosher salt, sometimes sea salt, and freshly ground black pepper. I'm going to pat it in, turn it over, and season the other side. And pat it in again. Okay, now we're going to dredge the fish in flour. And, you know, the description calls for, I think, like 1/3 cup of flour, but I just get out the amount that I think I'll need to be able to dredge the fish, okay? Here I've probably got a couple of tablespoons, okay? Then we want to dredge it all over, and I'm just going to leave it here in the flour until I am ready for the next step. All right, now we're going to melt the butter so we can cook the fish. A couple tablespoons of butter under medium heat. Okay, let's check out the cauliflower steak. Looks great, okay, and it is very tender. Okay, so this is ready to be served We're just going to keep this warm until we're ready, okay? Turning the heat down to very low. Okay, our butter has melted and it's a little bit foamy. Okay, now we're going to lay the fish down in the butter. We're going to let it cook. We want it to be golden on both sides. Okay, it's been about 3 or 4 minutes. Let's turn it over. Oh, beautiful on that side. Okay, now we're going to let it cook to look the same on this side. And around the time that is, it's that color, it should be done. Okay, so I've moved the cauliflower steak onto the plate. Now we're going to top it with a generous amount of the Miso Sansho Sauce. Kind of spread it around. Okay. Okay, now we're going to top the cauliflower steak with the halibut. Okay. And then we're going to drizzle it with a little bit of the braising liquid from the cauliflower steak, which you remember is Dashi and sake. Okay. Then we're going to garnish with some sliced scallions. A couple more. And we're going to serve it with some good quality aged shoyu, which is Japanese soy sauce, for the guest to drizzle as the guest may like. So there we have it. That is grilled halibut and grilled and braised cauliflower steak with Miso Sansho sauce. You can see photos of the final dish at my Instagram, which is @Chef's Apprentice, Cook Like a Pro. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.